Today also we are going to see irrational numbers. You know the shortcut operation on irrational numbers. Only two basic concepts are there. First concept is in multiplication. When we are going to multiply two irrational numbers, if the bases are equal, powers will be added. See the example. We are going to multiply root 3 into root 3. Here, that is 3 to the power of into 3 to the power of. 3 is the base, of is the power. Or in other words, we can say exponent. 3 is the base, of is the power. In multiplication, powers will be added. But the condition is bases should be equal. 3 to the power of plus of is 3 to the power 1. That is 3. Second concept, in multiplication, the powers are equal, but bases will be, if the powers are equal, bases will be multiplied. See the example. Cube root of 7 into cube root of 3. Okay. Here powers are equal, but bases are different. Cube root of 7 means 7 to the power 1 by 3. Cube root of 3 means 3 to the power 1 by 3. See, both the powers are equal. We will multiply their bases. That is 21 to the power 1 by 3. That is cube root of 21. Next one, we have to compare two irrational numbers. Which one is big, which one is small. Here, see the example, root 15 or cube root of 29. First, we will write root 15 means 15 to the power of. Cube root of 29 means 29 to the power 1 by 3. See the interesting thing, bases are different, powers are also different. Bases we cannot do anything. Powers we can do something. See the first power 1 by 2, second power is 1 by 3. We are going to make the denominators of the powers equal. Denominators of the powers equal. Already you know. See the denominators 2 and 3. LCM is 6. So to bring the 6, first we are multiplying 15 to the power 1 by 2, we are multiplying by 3. So it becomes 15 to the power 3 by 6. 29 to the power 1 by 3, we multiply by 2. It becomes 2 by 6. When we are multiplying, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator. Okay, now denominators are equal. So we can write 6th root of 15 cube. Only 6 has come out as a 6th root. Here also 6th root of 29 square. Now we will find 15 cube and here 29 square. 15 cube is 3375. 29 square is 841. Both their powers are equal. Easily we can compare. So 3375 is greater than 841. So 6th root of 3375 is greater than 6th root of 845. This is not the answer. We have tried the original. So root 15 is greater than cube root of 29. Here two irrational numbers are given. Easily we can find which one is greater, which one is small. Now, three irrational numbers are given. We have to arrange them in ascending order, that is increasing order. First we write and we see the power. All their powers are equal. Root 2, root 5, root 3. Okay. So we are going to take the 8 inside the root. See the first one. 8 root 2 becomes root over 8 square into 2. When the 8 is coming inside the square root, it will become square. 8 square. 8 square is 64 into 2, 128. Similarly, the next one. 6 is coming inside, it becomes 6 square, that is 36. After multiplication, it becomes 180. Third one, 7 is coming inside, 7 square. So at last we get root 157. All their powers are equal. All the three numbers are in root. So easily we can arrange in increasing order. Root 128, root 157, root 180. Now write the original number. Carefully which number is which. One more. Write in ascending order. 3 root 5, 2 root 7, 5 root 3, 4 root 2. In the same manner, as all their powers are equal, we are taking the outside number inside the root. 3 becomes 3 square, 9 root 45. 3 root 5 is root 45. Similarly, second number. Outside number 2 is going inside. So 2 root 7 is root 28. 5 root 3 is root 75. Fourth number 4 root 2 is root 48. Now all the four numbers easily you can write in ascending order. We have written, now write the original number. Simplifying by rationalizing the denominator. See the irrational number 13 by root 5. We have to remove the root from the denominator. That is known as rationalization. So here one, what is, by which number we have to multiply? That number is known as rationalizing factor. Here rationalizing factor is root 5. Here rationalizing factor is root 5. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator by root 5. See, we are multiplying both numerator and denominator. Numerator becomes 13 root 5. Denominator becomes 5. We know root 5 into root 5, 5. One more. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator. See the denominator root 3 plus root 2. Here, rationalizing factor is root 3 minus root 2. What is the rationalizing factor? Root 3 minus root 2. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2. Here I have given in red. We are multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2. Numerator we need not multiply, leave it as it is. 5 into root 3 minus root 2. Here comes a problem. In denominator root 3 plus 2 into root 3 minus 2. Can you remember some formula? This is in the format a plus b into a minus b. See both the brackets, both the a and b. A is root 3, b is root 2. Both are equal. One bracket has plus, another one minus. So this becomes a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Here comes the formula. So answer is a square minus b square. Now see the denominator, root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2. Numerator is as it is, 3 minus 2 is 1, we need not write. So the answer is 5 into root 3 minus root 2. One more. Simplifying by rationalizing the denominator. See the numerator, 5 root 3 plus 2 root 5. In denominator, root 7 minus root 2. Here, what is the rationalizing factor? Root 7 plus root 2. So, we multiply both numerator and denominator by root 7 plus root 2. Okay. See the numerator, 5 root 3 plus 2 root 5 into root 7 plus root 2. Here, each and everything you have to multiply. See how we are going to multiply. 5 root 3 into root 7, then 5 root 3 into root 2. See the multiplication. 2 into 2, 4 times. 5 root 3 into root 7, 5 root 21. 5 root 3 into root 2, 5 root 6. 2 root 5 into root 7, 2 root 35. 2 root 5 into root 2, 2 root 10. Denominator is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Again, the formula is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. See the numerator. All the irrational numbers are different. Root 21, root 6, root 35, root 10. We cannot add. We cannot simplify. Here, in denominator, root 7 square is 7. Root 2 square is 2. So, answer is the whole thing by 5. Here, in numerator, you have to multiply carefully. In the next class, we will revise the whole rational number chapter. Okay, everything we will revise.